The dark web, a hidden part of the internet where anything can be bought for a price. Some say it's a place of secrets, danger, and even unspeakable horrors. But what happens when you order a mystery box from the darkest corners of the web? Today, we find out. What's inside will shock you. I've always been curious about the dark web, a place where people sell things you won't find on Amazon. So I took the risk and bought a mystery box from a shady seller. The listing said, guaranteed to surprise or your money back. A few days later, a plain, unmarked package arrived at my doorstep. No return address, no sender name. Before opening it, I put on gloves, just in case. Who knows what could be inside? A damaged USB? What secrets does it hold? A chilling message. Was this a warning? A key? But to what? An old photo, with the face torn off. Why? And then, I saw the last item at the bottom of the box was a small sealed bag. Inside, something I never expected. A biohazard warning? Was this some kind of sick joke or something much worse? I immediately contacted the authorities. Turns out these mystery boxes are sometimes used to deliver illegal or dangerous items, and I might have just stumbled onto something I shouldn't have. So, was this just a prank? Or did I accidentally uncover something sinister? Either way, this was my last dark web purchase. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy experiments. And let me know in the comments, would you ever buy a dark web mystery box?